My name is Rick Papandrea. I'm one of the orthopedic surgeons at Orthopaedic Associates of Wisconsin. I think like most orthopedic surgeons, I was intrigued by what's done for patients on a daily basis as far as restoring people back to normal function. My specialty is upper extremity, so I'm a board certified hand surgeon. I'm also board certified in orthopedics like the rest of the partners here, and I'm board certified in sports medicine. I deal with everything from the fingertip to the shoulder blade. So if somebody's got a problem that involves their upper limb, I can usually take care of it. I think like most surgeons, we have mentors, and my mentors were surgeons that did what I now do, that is take care of the entire upper extremity. And I was intrigued with the ability to really master the whole limb. So it allows me to focus and know the latest techniques of that portion of the body that I work on and be able to take care of simple problems and also very complicated ones. Elbow replacement is something that I've been very interested in for a long time because it's a unique joint. Not only does it flex and extend, but it also rotates, and there's a lot of force there. I was fortunate to be able to work with some of the innovators in the field of elbow replacement as they developed newer replacements and be able to learn from them directly. So elbow replacement is something that I'm very well versed in, but also I'm very excited by and I enjoy doing. Well, I think Orthopaedic Associates of Wisconsin is a special place not just to work, but for patients to come and be cared for. We're fortunate to have really all subspecialties represented, so if there's a unique problem a patient presents with, we have somebody here who can care for them. A case that sticks out in my mind is a case that Dr. Englund saw as a walk-in, a young girl who broke her elbow. And I saw her at his request. She hadn't eaten. We waited a few hours until there was an opportunity in the surgical room, and arthroscopically I fixed her elbow fracture. So here's a young girl who misstepped when she did a cartwheel, broke her elbow, and within one visit we had her taken care of surgically and solved her problem. And that's really an exciting thing to be able to do for somebody.